conveyor. 8. Vulcanization. This process takes place in a special chamber, an autoclave that controls the exact time interval, temperature, and pressure. The required parameters are entered by an operator. Tire casings are inserted in heat-resistant covers and placed into an autoclave where the compressor provides adequate air pressure inside the tubes and the autoclave chamber. Pressure of at least 6 atmospheres is maintained inside the autoclave chamber to press the tread against the tire casing. The optimum temperature for this process is 100 degrees centigrade, which enhances the chemical conjugation process. Vulcanization of the natural rubber occurs, and the casing and thread of the tire become a whole. This process is called cold vulcanization, as the processes that take place at 100 degrees centigrade do not significantly affect the tire carcass or the cord piles. Tires can be retreaded several times using this technology. 9. The final quality control check. Once the set of tires is removed from the batch autoclave, the final visual inspection is performed while the tires are still hot. However, if there has been any latent defects or any failure occurred during the retreading process, they are clearly identified at this stage. After a final quality control check, each retreaded tire is covered with a liquid gum and the tire looks as good as new after the treatment. All operations in all of the stages of the renewal process are carried out in strict compliance with technological standards. The statistics show that retreaded truck tires are fitted to more than 50% of trucks in the US and Canada, about 60% in Nordic countries, and 70% in the Czech Republic, as well as around 50% of the total truck fleet in Germany. Today, the characteristics of renovated truck tires meet the same requirements as new tires, but they have a very attractive price, providing substantial savings for transport operators. Tire carcasses that do not go through the Sharograph are guaranteed for 1 year,